Good morning everyone. So today we will discuss all the output devices in chapter number 1, computer external hardware. So first is the hardware devices that convey information to users are called output devices. For example, monitor, printer, speakers, etc. So it means all the devices that will give input or that will give output to the user or that will provide result to the users are called output devices. For example, monitor, printer, speaker, data projectors. These are all are the examples of output devices. So various output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, data projector, smart board and plotter. We will discuss all these output devices one by one. First is monitor. It is an output device that look like TV screen. It is most commonly used output device. It display result or output to user. The output produced by monitor is called soft copy. Monitor is also called VDU. VDU means visual display unit. Note down this full form on your copies. VDU means visual display unit or video screen. So if we consider output devices, then monitor is one of the most commonly used output device and it look like TV screen. So there are two types of output. One is a hard copy and soft copy. Hard copy means that will give result to the user on a paper, and soft copy means they will display the information on the screen. So monitor will produce soft copy. Monitor produce soft copy output because they show the result or information to the user on the screen. So monitor is also called video or video screen. So there are three types of monitor. First one is a CRT monitor, second one is a LCD monitor, and last one is LED monitor. So firstly we will discuss CRT monitor. Note down the full form of CRT on your notebooks. It is a cathode ray tube. So CRT means cathode ray tube. CRT is a large glass tube. It take up more space. So CRT monitors look like old TVs and they occupy more space as compared to the LCD monitor or LED monitor. So it is a large glass tube that uses a cathode ray technology to produce the output on the screen. Next is the LCD monitor. The full form of LCD is liquid crystal display. They uses a liquid crystal technology to show the images or show the output on the screen. They are lightweight. So if we compare the picture of CRT monitor and LCD monitor, you can see CRT monitors they occupy less space as compared to the LCD monitor occupy less space as compared to the CRT monitor, and they are light in weight. Next is LED monitor. The full form of LED is light emitting diode. LED uses light emitting diode technology. They are compact and lightweight. So third type of monitor is LED monitor. They uses a LED light emitting diode technology to show the images on the screen. And if we compare LCD and LED, they are more compact in size as compared to the LCD, and they are also lightweight, and they also occupy less space as compared to the CRT. One more feature is there, they consume less power as compared to the CRT monitor. Next is a data projector. It is an output device that display data on large screen so that audience can see the image clearly. So data projector you have seen in our computer lab, that basically it is a large screen and it is used when there is a large audience, because if we will use the blackboard, then if we use any board, then probably the information will be not visible to the audience. So but if we consider data projector, because it shows the or it display the information on large screen, so that then audience can see the image more clearly. Okay. Next is a smart board. It is an output device that display image on connected computer screen by using data projector. Notes written on smartboard can be saved. Smartboards are used in classroom for teaching. So this is the output device that is commonly used in a classroom for teaching, and it is connected to computer screen with the help of projector, and we can also write on a smartboard, and whatever we will write on the screen, that we can also save in a computer. Next is a printers. Printer is an output device that produces output on a paper. The output produced by printer is called hard copy or printouts. So after monitor, printer is the second most commonly used output device. And as I already told you, there are two types of output. First one is a hard copy and soft copy. Soft copy means the output will be shown on the screen. Hard copy means the output, hard copy means the output that is produced on the paper. So printer is a type of output device that produce output on a paper. It means the output that is produced by printer is also known as a hard copy or printouts. So printers are basically divided into two categories. First one is a impact printer and second one is a non-impact printer. So firstly we will discuss about impact printer. So impact printer are those type of printers in which printer head will touch the paper. Printer head will directly touch the paper. And non-impact printer is a type of printer in which printer head will not directly touch paper. Okay. Next is the types of printer. First one is dot matrix printer, second one is inkjet printer, and last is laser printer. We will discuss these type of printer in detail. So first is a dot matrix printer. This is an impact printer. Impact means the printer head will touch the paper. So it contains movable head with small pins that strike a ribbon to place a dot on a paper. It means in a dot matrix printer there are small pins that will strike a ribbon to place small dot on the paper, and each image is a combination of these dots. Okay. The speed of dot matrix printer is measured in CPS. CPS means characters per second. Next type of printer is inkjet printer. This is a non-impact printer. Non-impact means printer head will not directly touch the paper. It produces text and image output by spraying ink on a paper. So in case of inkjet printer, they will spray the ink on a paper to produce the text or any image. And the speed of inkjet printer is measured in LPM. LPM means lines per minute. Next is a laser printer. Laser printer is again a impact printer. It uses laser technology to print. It gives best quality output and are expensive. So this is a newer type of printer, and it uses a laser technology to print any image or print any text on a paper. So this gives best quality output. If we can compare the quality of the output produced by the laser printer or other printers, they produce the best quality as compared to other printer, but they are expensive. Speed is measured in ppm. ppm means pages per minute. Laser printer are very faster in speed as compared to the other printer. So next output device is a plotter. It is an output device which is used to produce high quality output like maps of house, school building, blueprint, etc. Plotters are used mainly by engineers and are very expensive. So plotter is also a output device. Plotter is similar to the printer, but they are used when we want high quality output. For example, when we want the map of a house or building or school, then instead of using printer, we will prefer plotter because plotter produce high quality output as compared to the printer. So plotters are mainly used by engineers to print out, or we can say to produce maps, and they are very expensive. Next is the types of plotter. So first one is drum plotter, second is flatbed plotter, third is inkjet plotter, and last is electrostatic plotter. So next output device is speakers. Speakers are output devices which produce music, speech or other sounds. So speakers are the devices that will produce voice output. Okay, they are used to produce music, speech or other sounds.